In this problem, we want to solve this equation for the given variable. It's a Greek letter omega. So omega is equal to RMV over I plus M R squared. And I want to solve that for M. Okay, first step. I'm going through my 5 steps for solving a formula for a variable. First step is get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. If we only have one denominator, that is our LCM, so we're going to multiply both sides by I plus MR squared. So we got omega times I plus MR squared equals, and then I plus MR squared times RMV over I plus MR squared. The I plus MR squareds cancel here. I'll multiply the omega through, so that gives us omega I plus omega MR squared is equal to RMV. Step 3, get everything with the variable we're solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. We're solving for M as in Mary, so I'm going to get everything with M on one side and everything else on the other side. So I'm going to take this WMR squared to the right side. So I'll have omega I is equal to RMV minus omega MR squared. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. Step 4. If the variable you're solving for is in 2 or more terms, factor it out. Well, m's in this term and m's in that term. So I'll factor it out, and that gives us RV minus omega R squared. Step 5. Divide both sides by what's in front of / behind the variable you're solving for. Well, there's nothing in front of the m, but there's an RV minus omega R squared after. So I'll divide both sides by that. So we got omega I divided by RV minus omega R squared equals m times RV minus omega R squared divided by RV minus omega R squared. So those are going to cancel. And we got m is equal to omega I over RV minus omega R squared. And that's our answer.